basically needs data rendering technique, that basically demands data rendering technique. Shall we observe that, guys? First, we'll try to understand the application that we want to develop. It's a basically two pages application. First page is home page. When you click on hyperlink, I should get what? Season name. I should get the season name based on the current hour of the day. But that logic I don't want to write in controller class. That logic I want to write in what? Service class. That logic definitely I want to write in what? Service class. No doubt in that, right? Yes. So now let's see what we can do over there. Spring here. Come on. Where is that? 515. Where is that? 515. That's great. Yeah, here is my what is there? Spring Boot data JPA. Yeah, Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot what? MVC. Followed by that, what is there? Okay. If you don't mind, please tell me how many sessions are left in our class. Another 45 to 50 sessions are required, guys. Excluding what? Weekend topics. Excluding weekend topic, 45 sessions are required. MVC is there, REST is there, microservice. These are the main topics that are left. And weekend topics anyhow there, right? Each weekend one topic will be completed. So minimum 45 sessions you plan, anyhow, excluding weekend topics. Right. Okay. Where is that? 4 and 5. 6 we have to worry about. 6. Where is 6, guys? 4 and 5. 6 is not there. Huh? Second one, 6 and 7. Second application development and including request paths. Okay, that's great. Yes, my dear. Okay. This is the home page. When you click on hyperlink, it will generate what? Get mode request. What it will generate what, guys? Get mode request. This will generate the home season. Welcome to winter season. When you click on home, it should come back to this one. Okay, instead of writing business logic in handler method of controller class, it's recommended to write in what? Separate service class business method and delegate request to service class business method from what? Controller class handler method by injecting service class object to controller class object using what annotation? @auto void annotation. Okay, already I have discussed this concept, but once again, let me give the flow. So basically this is a no request path, just context path only there in the URL, port number and all this stuff. B, front controller traps and takes a request. C, handovers the request to handler mapping component. That is B, C. Okay, tell me. It will search for the handler method whose request path is what? Slash. It will search for the handler method whose request path is what? Slash. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Yeah. What is that, guys? C. Yeah. What is there, guys? D. What is D here, guys? Come on, tell me. C, D. What is D, guys? Identifies the request path, guys. Available. It will gather this method signature and controller class bean ID, passes to front controller, dispatch servlet. Dispatch servlet collects the controller class object by submitting bean ID to IOC container and calls this method G. No business logic, nothing. Returns logical view name, G. Okay, na? Okay, next. H receives the logical view name and passes to view resolver, I. It generates view object having what? Name and location of the view. It generates it passes to view resolver, and view resolver generates what? View object having name and location of the view component, right? Passes the view object to whom, guys? Front controller. Passes the view object to whom, guys? Front controller. That is JK. And it will execute what, my dear? JSP component, that is L. This execution output goes to dispatcher servlet M, generates the web page on the browser, right? Okay. This is the page number one. When you click on a hyperlink, href season is there now. What is that? Okay, K M. Okay, O. Okay, again dispatch servlet traps and takes a request P. Hand overs the request to whom? Handler mapping component Q. Okay, handler mapping component. Next one, guys. Hand overs the request to handler mapping component. Next one is what? Uh, it will search for the handler method whose request path is what? Season. It will search for the handler method whose request path is what? Season. That is what, guys? R. Getting my point there or not there, guys? Okay, that is what? R. Tell me next one. That is what? R. Next one. It will gather signature of the method. That is yes. Okay. And controller class bean ID is pass. Okay, most important. Based on by seeing map as the parameter, it will create empty shared memory or not. Right now, empty shared memory. Assume that is an empty shared memory. Okay, na? That is yes. Okay. Then it will call this method or not there. Having shared memory as the parameter. T. Calling service class method. U. Service class method is executed. V. That will return what? Current season name. Are you getting my point there? Okay, that is W. And it will keep the result in what? Shared memory. It will keep the result in what? Shared memory. That's good. Then next one. Returns the logical view name. X. Returns the logical view name. Array, this is kept or not, guys? Result message summer. Result message summer. Logical view name is kept here. Returns what? Logical view name. That is X. Okay. That will go to dispatcher servlet Y. Okay. Where is this, guys? View object. What is there, guys? View object. What is there? View object. Display.jsp. That goes to whom, guys? That will go to whom? Okay. That is a view object. Tell me next one. Tell me what is the next one to concentrate, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. That is a view object. That view object goes to dispatch servlet B1. Okay. That will execute C1. It is reading what? Model attribute name. Whatever output generated comes here. What is there? D1. And generates the web page. Okay. There it is displaying the season name or not there. Super, guys. Okay. It's looking quite meaningful application, guys. Not a great application having database and all this stuff, but quite meaningful application, no doubt in that. Let us see. Let us see what we can do over there. How to develop this application, that is what we are going to talk about. 515. Online students, are you there? I hope you understood the whole flow of the execution. First page, home page, same as first application. Second page, after processing some request by executing business logic, generating some output. And that output we are planning to display here. That particular output we are planning to display here. Got it? Yes. Close all editors. That's great, guys. Tell me here, what is there? Spring Starter project. That's great. Okay. Those who missed first application development focus, guys. Okay. Tell me here, what is this? Who to MVC? Okay. Mr. Vaishnavi madam, if you keep the message, what's the use? You are supposed to share screenshot, show me the error. Not getting means there are 100 reasons behind it, right? What is the error? Share the screenshot or talk to the lab people, mail me the screenshot. No, 404, madam. 404, to get 404, there are so many reasons. Wrong URL. Okay. Next, Tomcat embedded Jasper might not be added. Okay. Deployment directory structure gone. Right. Deployment directory structure gone. URL in the address bar is wrong. Code is wrong. 404 means it is searching for some JSP. Maybe view resolver configuration is not done properly. Prefix and suffix, especially after places slash might have missed. Small silly mistakes. Either send me total code or screenshot. I think code plus screenshot you send, then I can solve your problem. Please. And it's been so many days. Now you are saying first application is not coming. Be positive, guys. Be active. Boot MVC, how much? Pros 03, 03, 04, 03. Okay, guys. 03. Season Finder APP. What APP? Season Finder APP. WAR file. What's the advantage of taking WAR file? If it is WAR file, it can be deployed in embedded Tomcat server or it can be deployed in what? This one. Okay. After class, I cannot check, madam. How can I check your code? You have to send code to me now. Please send code to me. Send error screenshot, entire code to my email ID. Please, madam. Please say, yeah, where is this? Web MVC, yeah? Spring Web. Spring Web. Okay, that's good. Spring Web. Tell me next one. Say next. I think that is only starter that is required as of now. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Yeah, this is the application. Okay, first you keep the directory structure ready, guys. Main, web app, under web app. Tell me, what is there? Folder, webinf. Under webinf, what is that? Folder, pages. Folder, pages. Under webinf, folder, pages. Okay. Webinf and what? Pages, guys. Okay, that's good. Here is my Java resources, main, web app, webinf, pages. Okay. Super guys. Tell me here, what is there? Java resources. Com.nt. What is there? Com.nt. Here also I need to add some packages now, my dear. Come on. What are the packages I need to add? Com.nt.service. Com.nt.service. Okay, that's good. Now tell me next one. Controller. Com.nt.controller. Okay, guys. Com.nt.controller. Super, guys. Tell me. Com.nt.controller service. Okay, first always develop from backside. Okay, first service, then controller, so that I can call service class method in controller. In any layered application, first DAO developed, then service developed, then controller developed. I hope you remembered that, guys. Yeah, tell me here. Right click, new interface. Tell me. I I season finder. Array one interface and implementation I am taking. I season finder service. I season finder service. Okay, that's good. Here is my what, guys? Public string. What is there? Find season. Any name you can get. Find season. No need of passing username, guys. For wish message, username. Good morning, Raja. But season, good morning. Summer season, Raja. It's not sounding good, right? No need of any parameter, boss. Okay, that's good. Yeah, tell me. Say class. Season finder service IMPL. Add. What is there? I season finder service. I season finder service. That's good. Here is my add unimplemented methods. Here is what? At the rate service. That's good. Here is my what? At the rate service. Okay. Tell me what I should do over there, guys. You should write the logic. Get system date. What is there? Get system date. Local date LDT is equal to local date dot now. Okay, next. Get current month of the year. Get one, guys? Current month of the year. Int month is equal to, what is there? LDT dot get month value. Yes, we have to get the month value. Okay, now tell me, if what is there? Month less than, month greater than or equal to 6, and month, what is there, guys? Less than or equal to, I think 6 also we keep there, 7. Month less than or equal to 10. Okay, 10th month. Okay, now boss. Return, what is there? Rainy season. What season, guys? Rainy season. Else if, tell me. Month greater than or equal to, what is the equal to? Greater than or equal to 8. And, come on. And month less than or equal to, okay, it's not 8. Okay, not 11. We'll go for it. 3. And month less than or equal to how much? 6. Okay. 6. Here we say, what is there? Summer season. What season, guys? Summer season. Tell me, return. What is there? Leftover season is winter season or not, guys? Leftover season is winter season or not, my dear? Definitely the leftover season is winter season. Okay. I season finder service. Season finder service IMPL. Okay. I season finder service. Season finder service IMPL. Okay. This is service class is ready. Now we have to think about launching the home page first. Yeah. Initial request given, dispatch servlet already there, handler mapping already there. It looks for what? Handler method in controller class whose request path is a slash. Do I need to keep that one ready, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, tell me here, where is this interface? Not interface, controller class. We are not injecting anywhere, guys. Tell me here, what is the one I should write, boss? Okay, season finder operations controller something. Season finder operations controller, that's great. Season finder operations controller, what is there? At the rate controller. Yes, so it's better to inject service class object now, boss. I season finder service, what is there? Service. Okay, at the rate auto. We are using at the rate auto wide there or not there? Yeah, tell me next one. Public, tell me. Public string. Okay. Show season. Any name I can. Okay, first one. Show home page. First page is a home page now, boss. No data, nothing. Just a home page. At the rate request mapping slash. At the rate request mapping slash. Okay, no business logic, nothing. Return LVN. Okay, here what is the one I am writing, guys? Welcome. What is the one I am writing? Welcome. Sys trace. What trace, guys? Sys trace. Okay, that's good. Fine. Return welcome. Yeah, returns logical view name to whom, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Returns the logical view name to whom, guys? I want reply, my dear. Come on, everyone. Dispatcher servlet. Dispatch servlet passes to view resolve. View resolve are ready made, but it is expecting some inputs from you in the form of prefix and suffix, guys. Yes, those prefix and suffixes I have to keep here now, boss. Okay, now tell me. Hash view resolver configuration. What is there? View resolver configuration. Spring dot view MVC dot view dot prefix slash webinf slash pages slash spring dot MVC dot what is there? Suffix dot JS. What JSP, guys? Dot JSP. We are ready with this story or not, my dear? We are definitely ready with this story. What do you say, guys? Come on, everyone. We are definitely ready with this story. Okay, embedded server port number we have to place or not there? Embedded server port number. What is the port number? 4041. Embedded server port number 4041, guys. Okay, guys. Tell me. Season finder operations controller application dot properties. That's good. Okay, that's a really good, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. Season finder operations controller. I season finder service. This is my IMPL, guys. This is my controller class. This is my what? Controller class. What's the next thing to focus, guys? Come on. Season finder operations controller. Okay. So logical view name, view object, their name and location of the view component. So here we have to keep the JSP file or not there. Yeah, tell me here, where is this JSP? In this one JSP, what is the one we have to place, guys? Huh? What dot JSP? Welcome dot J. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Yeah. Say next, say finish. At the rate page is EL ignored is equal to true. What is equal to true, guys? Is EL ignored is equal to false. Don't ignore the expression language. Anyhow, it is first application only, na? Okay. Muhammad Saad Malik, my voice is clear. Check your side. Online students, am I loud and clear, guys? Online students, am I loud and clear? Online students, am I loud and clear, guys? Come on. Yeah. H1 style, what is there? Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. Spring Boot MVC. Spring Boot MVC application. What is the application? Season Finder application. What application, guys? Season Find. What is the application, guys? Season Finder application. Okay. Yeah. Spring Boot MVC. Here I am providing one hyperlink, guys. Okay. H3. Where is that? H. Color colon red. Okay. Text colon align center. Close H3. Tell me. Href. What ref? Href. Tell me what is there? Season. Season. Here I am giving what? Hyperlink find season. Here I am giving hyperlink find season. Getting my point there, guys? Super. When you click on hyperlink, who traps and takes the request? Dispatchers are. Handovers the request to whom? Handler mapping. Handovers the request to whom, guys? Handler mapping. This is my welcome.jsp, guys. This is my find season. What season, guys? Find season. Okay. This is what? Hyperlink find season, guys. Hyperlink what? Find season. Href season. This is what? Find season, guys. When you click on hyperlink, who traps and takes the request? Dispatchers are. Handovers the request to handler mapping. Handovers the request to whom, guys? Handler mapping. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay, guys. Next one. Looks for the handler method whose request path is a season. That's a point number one. Number two, that method is going to call service class method gets the result. It has to pass that result season name to the view component. So that method has to be designed having what? Shared memory or not there. What is the best parameter to get the shared memory? Map is the best parameter to get the shared memory, right? Whenever you want to pass the result from handler method of controller class to view component, you need a shared memory. And shared memory you don't create. When you take the parameter type as what? Map, the shared memory will be created automatically or not there. We don't create shared memory explicitly. The shared memory will be created what? Automatically. The shared memory will be created what? Automatically when you create it. Okay, when you take the parameter type as what? Map. Okay. Public is, here, let me say. Public string, tell me. Okay. Show season or display season. Any name I can take, guys. Display season. What is there here? Map. String comma object map. String comma object map. Tell me next one. At the rate. What is there? A request mapping slash. What is there? Season. At the rate request mapping slash season. Where is this, guys? Use service. What is there, guys? Use service. Tell me here. String season is equal to season name is equal to whatever it is. Service dot find season. Put the result in model attribute. Put the result in model attribute. Map dot put. Okay, map dot put. What is there? Season name. Map dot put season name. What is there? Season name. One is variable, one is model attribute name. Okay, if you want, you can take. Here I'll put just a result only. What is there in that? Okay, here I will write result. If it's confusing you, I will put result. Yeah, tell me next one. Return logical view name. Return, what is there? Show underscore result. Return, what is there? Show underscore result. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay. Return show underscore result. Yes, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah, this returns a logical view name to whom, guys? Okay, this returns logical view name to whom, guys? Dispatcher servlet. Agree with me, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. This returns logical view name to dispatcher servlet. Okay. Season finder operations controller dot Java. This returns logical view name to dispatcher servlet. Dispatcher servlet gives to view resolver. View object having slash webinf slash pages slash show underscore result dot JSP as the physical view comp. Maybe in the paintbrush I have taken display dot JSP. Here I am taking what? Show underscore result. Any name I can take. That's not a big issue. So now I have to prepare show underscore result dot JSP, my dear. Okay, this is my JSP file. Where is this? Show underscore result. Say next, say finish. Show underscore result, say next, say finish. Next one, tell me. At the rate page, language is equal to, what is there? Java. At the rate page, language is equal to Java. Yeah, tell me here, what is there? Content type. Okay, all these are not required, guys. It has to recognize expression language, not more than that. Okay. Is EL ignored is equal to false. What is there? H1 style. Color colon red. Text hyphen align center. What is there, guys? Result page. What is there, guys? Result page. Really, result page is happening or not there? Okay, that's great. Here, bold, italic. What is there? Season name is equal to dollar floor bracket. Okay, what is the one I am taking? Season. Okay, that's great. BR. Here I have to take home hyperlink now, my dear. ahref dot slash home. What is there? ahref dot slash home dot slash home. That means home hyperlink it is taking or not there. That's great. So all set. Why dot slash, guys? If you give only slash, okay, current application slash dot indicates current application slash. Only slash it becomes invalid, guys. Okay, and after get up to current application, then slash. That's the meaning of this. Otherwise, only slash means it will be taken as separator between two folders. Generally, while writing two folder, we use slash as a separator, na? Okay, to avoid that confusion, then we have to take what? Dot slash. Got it? Yes. That's great, guys. Now, right click, run on server. If you want to run in external server. If you want to run in embedded Tomcat, you have to take what? Save finish. Save OK. Save finish, save OK, guys. Yes, boss. Tell me what is there? Find season. Season name, summer season. Home. Home is not working. Dot slash home not working. Why so? Why so? Acha. My mistake. Dot slash. There's no home, na? Only slash is there for the handler method. Yeah. Done this. Run as, what is there? Run on server. Say next. Save finish. Find season. Home. Find season. What is there, guys? Home. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity here, guys? That's good. Got the clarity here, guys? Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, if you want to run this one in what? Embedded application, guys. If you want to run this one in what? Embedded server. What should I do? In Tomcat Jasper, we need to add what? In pom.xml, there is a pom.xml. Here is my Tomcat Jasper, guys. Okay, that's good. Okay. Tell me here, what is there? mvnrepository.com. What is next one? Tomcat Embedded Jasper. Here is what? Tomcat Embedded Jasper. Okay, this one. Say paste. Tomcat Embedded Jasper, this one. We got it, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yeah, that's great. Tomcat embedded Jasper. Okay. Port number is given, embedded server port number is given, not given. Embedded server port number. Okay. I want to give context path of the application also. What is there? Context path. Server dot servlet dot context hyphen path. Server dot servlet dot context path. Array, this is only for embedded server application. For normal, when you run in external server, project name is context path. When you run in what? This place, this is the story. Right click, run on server, save this. Oh, sorry. We have to run it as embedded Tomcat. We need to run this one in what? Embedded Tom. Run as Java application. What is there? Run as Java application. Run as Java application. Tell me here, what is there? Process3 season finder application. Okay, this is not correct, guys. No, we have to run through this. HTTP, what is there? 4041. Tell me next one. Season app. What app? Season app. Okay. Then find season. Summer season. We are getting the output what? Summer season. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. In Spring Boot MVC application, we place what? Images, JavaScript file, CSS file, and etc. in public area by taking separate folder in what? Web app folder. The image is kept in web app slash, the image is kept in what? A web app slash image can be used in what? Image stack. Nothing is there, guys. Okay, if you want to maintain images, separate folder images, for CSS separate folder, for JavaScript JS. Okay, right now what is my interest, I have got home hyperlink, na? That is a text hyperlink. Now I want to make it as what? Graphical hyperlink. For that one image is required. Okay, generally we can place anywhere, boss, but recommended place to place is what? Recommended place to place is what, guys? Recommended place to place is separate folder in a web app folder. Okay. So generally you will see this kind of stuff, my dear. Tell me, where is that? Here is my stuff. Okay. Tell me here, where is that? Web app here. What is there? Web app. Here is my pages folder, guys. Here is simply my what? Pages folder. Under web app folder. To place a CSS file. Right now not there, but I'm just taking empty folder for reference. To place JavaScript files, what is there? Folder JS. Okay, tell me. To place this, tell me next one. Images. To place images. Okay, now I have to download one image now, boss. Go to google.com. Google.com. Home icon. Okay, images. We have a lot of images here, guys. Right. I think this is looking bit colorful. Okay. Open this. We will say file save as. Save image as. Okay, I'm trying to store in images folder, boss. Later I can copy from this place. Okay, already with name home, some files are there. So home2.png. Home2.png. It's coming. Okay, now let's go to this place. E-dry. Tell me. Class content. Where is that? Images. Here is my what? Home to dot. What dot, guys? Home to dot. What? Home to dot JPG. Home to dot this. Yeah. Tell me here. Where is this? Copy. Copy. Save. Paste. Yeah. This is my home to dot PNG or not, guys? This is really my home to dot PNG or not, boss? Okay. That's great. Tell me here what is there? Welcome.jsp. Yeah, hyperlink here. EMG SRC is equal to slash images home to dot PNG. If you want to control width and height, you can control. Otherwise, original one you can. But I want to control width and height. WTCH. What is this, guys? 100 pixel. What is this, guys? Height. What is there? 50 pixel. Okay, I'll take 70, guys. 70, 50. What is there, guys? 70, 50. Image SRC. This is the story. End of the image tag. Along with the hyperlink, I am keeping the text content. Along with the hyperlink, I am also keeping the text content. Convinced, boss? Everyone got the clarity, my dear? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's great. File, close all editors. Run as, tell me. Uh, right click, run as, run on server. Whatever it is, run on server or this. Say next, say finish. Say next, say finish. Find season. Oh, image is coming or not coming? I will tell the reason. I think, no, not dot, dot, dot. I just need to have only image. There is no need of having slash images. Slash images. There is no need of having slash images. Or dot. If you want to keep dot, you can keep. Yeah, without slash, that is enough. I think after this one, image is coming there. Okay, I'm continuing text, guys. Both not required. One is enough. Okay, click on it. So like this, we can also keep the images in the project now, my dear. Okay, boss, that's great. Check it out. If we deploy Spring MVC web application in what? External server, then project name becomes what? Context path or name of the web application automatically. If we deploy Spring MVC application in embedded server, then what? Application runs without any context path by default. If you want to give some context path for this application, then use what? Server dot servlet dot server dot servlet dot context path property of the application dot properties. Okay. Then give some context path for this application, then use of the application dot properties file. So then we have to give context path something like that now, my dear. Yes. This is the whole discussion. Assignment. Assignment. Develop the Spring Boot MVC application that displays the wish message based on the current hour of the day. For the hyperlink, click on home page. Home page is coming. Message hyperlink, guys. Show wish message is the hyperlink. What is the hyperlink, guys? Show wish message is the hyperlink. Yeah. When you click on it, Based on the current hour of the pace, current hour of the day, I should get the wish message. Good morning or good afternoon or good evening or good night. Okay, na? Right. Like this, I have to get the wish message. I think same as this one. Instead of season name, you have to print the wish message. Instead of season name, you have to print what? Wish message. Comfortable, my dear? Come on, everyone. Convinced with me or not, guys? Everyone convinced with me or not, guys? Okay. Understanding end-to-end points of request path. I would like to understand various points related to what? Request path. Shall we start understanding request path, various points, guys? Okay, guys. Request path of handler method must start with what? Slash. Every point is example. Every point it's example, guys. Okay. Request path is case sensitive in the handler method for one or more controller classes. Handler methods of one or more controller classes. In one or more controller classes, request path is case sensitive or not there. This is uppercase report, this is lowercase report. Uppercase report is different, lowercase report is different. Looks same but different because this is in lowercase, this is in uppercase. Mixed case also one more thing, right? So request path is case sensitive. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, I don't disturb this application, guys, because we developed one nice application, simple but nice application. Okay, we will take this one, copy, paste, MVC pros 3. Tell me, guys, request to paths. What's the project number, guys? 4. Project number is 4. Request path is what? 4. Are you getting my point there, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay. Season finder APP, this is what? Request path. Okay, when you copy post, it's better to take what? Properties now, boss. Here is my properties. Tell me. Web project settings. Tell me here. What is there? Pros 4. Season finder. No. What is there? Request to paths. Apply. Okay. Apply. Close. Apply. Okay. Apply. Close. Understanding my statement, boss? All right. Request paths root, guys. Close all editors. What editors, guys? Close all editors. This is my properties, guys. Web project settings. Apply and close. Okay, na? Right. So now I have to prove that uppercase is different from lowercase. So what I do is, only for this purpose, I'll take 2 separate methods. I don't disturb existing things, guys, okay? I don't disturb existing things. Tell me. Public string. Okay. Show report. Show report. Tell me here. At the rate request mapping slash report. Written logical view name. Here I am taking report, guys. Sys trace. What, guys? Sys. Here is my what? Sys trace. Tell me next one. Public string. Tell me. This is my show report 1. Here is my what? Show report 2. Show report 2. Tell me. Sys trace. Tell me. Return report 2. Yeah, this is my report one, guys. Yeah, this is my report two. Request mapping slash report two. Oh, 1 minute. Here I will put only report. Here also I will put uppercase report. Uppercase report. That's great. Right click, guys. Run on server. Say next. Remove all. Save finish. Save. OK. Yeah, that's great. Find season APP. Summer season has come now. That is not important. This is request path. Lowercase report. Yeah, I have not written any message, boss. That's a problem. I have not written any JSP file message. But here, show report method is executed, but we cannot go by that. WebINF pages. Here, report to one.jsp. What dot .jsp? File save as, tell me. What dot .jsp, guys? Report to one.jsp. Okay. Report to one page. This is what? Season name. What is there? Okay, what is there, guys? Season name. Season name. Dollar season name. What is there? Dollar season name. Okay. But I don't need all this stuff is required. This is just a report one page. That's it. Okay. Home page to come back to the home page. Even this also not required, guys. Next, file save as. Yeah, tell me here what is there. Report to 2.jsp. Okay, that report to 2.jsp. Report to 1.jsp. Next one, report 2. Right click, tell me. Run on server. Say next. Say finish. Say next. Okay. First you write lowercase report. Report to one page is executed, right? Okay. I will write uppercase report, guys. What is next one? Uppercase report. It is still taking lowercase. Let's try in new tab, guys. Existing tab, it is going to lowercase based on history. Report to page. So both are different now, boss. Both are different or not there, guys. Your show report method, here show report to method. So both are identified with the two different names or not there. So at least you agree with me. They are case sensitive. See, lowercase report, show report method is executed. Uppercase report, show report to one method is executed. That's a B point. C point. One handler method can be papped with what? Multiple request path. Actually, listen, guys. If any annotation, for any annotation, you mention values without parameter. That parameter name is what? Value. Parameter name itself what? Value. Suppose I'm writing slash report. In component also BNID we are writing. All of them are going to which parameter? Value parameter. The value parameter in at the rate request mapping is technically array type. It is what? Array type. But you are not using floor brackets now. When you are putting only one value in array, floor brackets are optional, especially in annotation, boss. That's why you are not putting. But if multiple values are placing, array is required, floor brackets are required or not required. See guys, you can pass multiple values as array element values. After all, value is what? An array type parameter in at the rate request mapping. If any data is given without annotation param name, then the data goes to what? Param whose name is value. Whose name is value. If param is array and you are interested to maintain only one value in that array, okay, then you can place what? That value without open floor bracket and what? Closing floor bracket. Then you can place that value without any open floor bracket and closing floor bracket. Are you getting my point there, guys? Okay. Right. One more point I want to write. The value param. What param? The value param in at the rate request mapping annotation is array type. Is array type. Is what? Array type. That's great, guys. Come on, everyone. Super. Season finder operations controller. Public string show report one. Tell me here, what is this? At the rate request mapping. Floor bracket one. What is there? Floor bracket one. Come on. Okay, floor bracket one. Here I am taking report one, comma, slash report two, slash report three. Okay, array type. Sir, you are not using any param name. By default, they go to value, na? Okay. Return report one. Okay, that is not important, guys. Sys trace. That means for one handler method, we can have multiple request path. Not just one request path, guys, multiple requests. Okay, let's see. Stop this, guys. Yeah, stop it, boss. At the rate request path, guys. Run on server. Say this. Say next. Save. Yeah. This is my find season, guys. What is that? Find season. Here is my home. We're getting the output home there or not there. We're definitely getting the output home there or not there, guys. This is my find season. This is my home hyperlink. Convinced, guys? Okay, but I'm searching wrong one. Huh? Okay, no problem. Report one coming. Next. Report two coming. Next. Report three coming. Total three things are coming. Same method is executing or not there. That means one method can be identified with multiple request paths or not, guys. Okay. Tejasri ke requesting annotation. Tejasri madam or sir, I think by mistake while sleeping, your finger is touched on wrong button. Please get up and Tejasri madam, good evening. Please get up and rectify your position. Okay. No, both are same or not, guys. Value is equal to What is equal to? Value is equal to. It is definitely showing value is equal to something there or not there. That's great. Okay, let it be, boss. Yeah. If request path is slash for the handler method, then it becomes what? Default handler method in controller class. That means no request path is given, then this method executes automatically or not, guys. When no request path is given, it will execute that method, guys. Already we proved it. Come on. This is not a new one. It is already proved, right? If we take handler method with the slash request path to launch the home page, then the method with the slash request path page, then there is no need of taking index.jsp separately to send the implicit request. Moreover, this technique works in both external Tomcat server deployment and embedded Tomcat server deployment. Before arrival of this, we used to take index wide because we are taking slash implicit request that is generating the home page or not, guys. Okay. Yeah, this is interesting. If no request path is given for handler method, the default request path is a slash. Really, sir? Okay, I want to check this. Let me check this. I want to check this. Super. Slash. I don't comment, guys. I'll just keep what? Request mapping this. What is there, guys? Request mapping this. Right click, tell me, run on server, say this, say next, save it. Find season, hope. It's working or not, guys? If you give slash, if you don't give slash, one and the same or not, guys? Default request path is slash, guys. Yeah. If handler method that shows home page is having request path slash, then we need to give request path to that handler method dot slash as the URL. In home hyperlink, we are doing exactly that one or not, guys. Taking request path as slash is equal to not taking what? Any request path, right? Okay. Is equal to not taking this one, this one. Both are same na, boss? Request mapping slash request mapping. Both are same or not, guys? Just now I proved it, Ra Babu. Come on. But here one more interesting thing is there. Okay, now I'll come to this. I'll come to this. Get and post till I have not introduced. After introducing them, I'll come to this. Two handler method of controller class can have same request path, but having two different request modes. What, guys? Like get and post. What is there, guys? Get and post. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. First of all, let me show one error, boss. If two handler methods are having same request path, you will get error. Okay, let's comment this. Okay, see, check it out here. First one, second one. Slash report. Here also, what is there? Slash report. Both are having same, na? And if no mode is specified, default mode is get mode. Come on. Yeah, that means even mode is same. Even mode is same or not, guys? Okay. Right click, tell me, run on server, say next, say finish. Two handler methods are having same request path. Two handler methods are having what? Same request path. That means you are going to get the error or not there. That means here we are going to get the error or not, guys. Come on, everyone. Okay. See this? It says all one more method is there with the same request path. It is simply saying one more method is there with what? Same request path. Ambiguous. Ambiguous is coming or not there? Ambiguous is coming or not coming? Okay, now listen. You can take, but one condition. What is that? Mode should be different. What should be different? Mode should be different. Okay, that's good. Here I will take value is equal to report. Listen, this is very important. Method is equal to request method dot get. Okay, here value is equal to report, comma, method is equal to, tell me, request method dot post. Method is equal to request method dot post. Yes. Sir, how to give the request? From browser, we can give two modes request. Get mode, post. No other modes are possible. URL typed in browser address bar generates what? Get mode. Hyperlink clicked request, get mode. Then what about post mode? Only by taking form submit button, we can go for post mode. Form can generate get mode, post mode, but only in form get and post is possible. In other places, get and post is not possible, right? In other places, get and post is not possible. Understanding my statement, guys. Here is my what? Welcome.jsp. What I do is ahref report to report. This will generate the get mode request, my dear. Okay. This will generate the get mode request. Agree with me, guys. 1 minute. What I do is show operation controller. This is executing report one. This is executing report two. Okay, that's great. In welcome.jsp, yeah, I have to generate post mode request. What is there? Form action. What is there? Same report. Method is equal to post. What is equal to post, guys? Method is equal to post. Yeah, here is my what, my dear. Input type is equal to, what is there? Submit. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to send. Input type is equal to submit. Value is equal to send. This generates what mode request? Get mode. This will generate what mode request? Post mode request. One will generate get mode request. Other one will generate what? Post mode request. Convinced or not, my dear? Come on, everyone. Got the clarity or not, my dear? Everyone. Okay. Displaying except error lines, so many lines displaying why so. Array, they are nested reasons for exceptions. They are the nested reasons for exceptions. Print stack trace. All the messages that are there in stack memory in the of method execution will be displayed. Today you are asking about that is happening from core Java onwards, my dear Rajkumar. Print stack trace means you will get all the messages there are not. Run on server, that's good. Tell me. Say next, say finish. Say good, say this. Yeah. Now let's see. This will generate get mode request. Report one. That means show report one method is executed na. Come on. Okay, go to this. Hyperlink can submit button can generate post mode request. Show report 2 is executing or not, guys. Show report 2 is executing or not, guys. I want reply, my dear. Come on. Say something, my dear. I want reply. Got the clarity here or not there? Okay, that's great. Get mapping slash report, post mapping slash report. Okay, it will generate get post. We are sending this. Okay, now listen. Web application, web services allow only browser as client, and this browser software can send only get and post method request. Distributed application, web services allow different types of client, including browser. They can send what? Different modes of request, get, post, put, delete, patch, lots of different modes of request we can send or not, guys. Come on, my dear. Spring Boot MVC applications are web application. They can take only request from browser. Browser can give get post mode request. The request given from browser window by typing URL is get mode request. The hyperlink generated request from the web page is what? Get mode. The form page can generate either get mode or post mode request. Default is what? Get mode. That's great. Get mode request is what? Idempotent. Idempotent means safe to repeat. Safe to repeat. Don't worry. I will discuss more on that. Post mode request is what? Non-idempotent. It is not safe to repeat. That means when you try to press refresh button, side effects will come. I'll prove practically this. Don't worry about that. Yes. Here, what is there? Spring 4.x onwards. What, guys? Spring 4.x onwards. Triplex mapping annotations are introduced as alternate forward, specifying request modes in request mapping annotation. And these annotations are recommended to use. The triplex mapping annotations are get mapping, post mapping, put mapping, delete mapping, patch mapping. First two only useful in MVC application, but all the five are useful in what? RESTful web services. Are you getting my point? Spring MVC is useful to develop the web application. Spring REST extension of MVC is useful to develop what? RESTful web services are distributed application. RESTful web services are what? Distributed application. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Got the clarity, my dear? I want reply, boss. Okay, that's great. Tell me here, what is there? This is my report one. This is my what? Report two. One is report one is what? A report two. Convinced, my dear. Come on, everyone. Report one, report two. Instead of writing request mapping mode separately get, what you can do? At the rate get mapping slash report. Both are one and the same, na boss? Instead of writing request mapping separately post, what you can do? At the rate post mapping slash what? Report. So shortcut of what? Lengthy request mapping annotation. Okay, let's see same effect is coming or not, guys. I can use external server or embedded server, right? No, I have external server. That's why I'm using external server. If not interested, you can go for what? Embedded server. Or why are you preferring external server? Browser comes automatically with the base URL. If it is embedded Tomcat, I have to open browser and type it. Right? So in classroom, I want to take that luxury of what? Getting browser automatically. Otherwise, no reason, guys. You can use embedded or Tom. In development mode of the project, no one uses external server. Everyone uses what? Embedded. Show report. Coming, guys. Post. Coming or not coming? Convinced, my dear? Yeah, these are the few points about request path. Many other points are there that I will take up when we meet in what? Tomorrow. Yes. This Saturday, Sunday, you have again long sessions. The topic is Spring Boot batch processing. Spring Boot batch. Other day I have read one success mail.